morning. It has been so long, and I feel like lately all of my videos I have to start an intro or like have an intro that says it's been so long, because I just have not been in the filming spirit lately. But I told myself I was gonna get back on it, and that's what I'm gonna do. Today is Sunday, August 2nd, and I've just decided that I'm gonna go ahead and just vlog on Sundays. I thought about doing it for the full week, but knowing myself, that's too ambitious, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do Sundays. It is 10:49. I have 10 minutes before the next service starts. Obviously, COVID-19, so I have been watching church online. I actually used to go and help with streaming, but I haven't been for a few weeks. Probably gonna start back soon. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, I'm just at home watching the services, and Bob actually goes to help with the streaming and stuff. We had a very productive weekend this weekend. Like, look at all this stuff. So we did some shopping. There's some clothes that we got for ourselves, and then some new sheets because we bought a king size bed. So obviously now we need to get new sheets because all of our sheets fit a queen size bed. So that's that. This is just some other things that I got for the house. I'm thinking about, or not thinking about, like I'm actually going to go ahead and just redo the whole vibe in our house, which I don't think I've ever like actually showed you guys what our house looks like. But right now you can see it's like kind of colorful. We have the red, yellow, and blue going on. And I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I don't know, I'm not really feeling it anymore. I want to go more neutral. And we also got a new couch that's going to be coming early next month. So yeah, this gray couch is going to be out of here. Our new couch is like a brown, like a light brown type of color. So yeah, I've just slowly been stocking up on new decorative items for the house. So I'm really excited about that. But today, obviously, you can see it's just a mess in here. The kitchen is a freaking mess. I already started clearing out stuff from the fridge that needs to be thrown out. And I also need to do laundry today. So today is just gonna be spent cleaning up. And I also need to go into my filming room and start straightening up in there because we have plans for that room. But I know for now I wanna move my little hair dresser thingy to the closet because I just don't feel like buying a new dresser for the closet, and I want to put a dresser in the closet. So that's what we have going on today. Babushka just got home and got our pineapple from the front yard. Look how cool this is. Step 1 is complete. I went ahead and wiped it down, got all of my hair stuff out of here. And when I say I got it out of here, that just means that I moved everything to the bathroom counter. Yay! So I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that stuff. But at least I got this cleared out, and now I'm gonna see if Bob wants to move it to our closet. Oh, I forgot I have to move those shoes.
You stack them things up this high?
I mean, they square. They should all fit.
That one broke.
What? That's fine. These need to be thrown out anyways. Now that we have the dresser in here, I can start kind of organizing the way I want to. I've had all of my pants just on our bench in our room because I haven't had anywhere to put it. But now that this dresser is in here, I can just start putting these pants up in these little pull-out drawers, and eventually I'll get like different pull-out drawers for this. But for right now, we're just gonna make do with what we got. Okay, we have made great progress, guys. I'm super excited. All of my pants are in here. Everything looks great. I even moved my jeans from the dresser in the room to in here. So far, so good. It's coming along nicely. And these two empty spaces, I didn't want to put drawers because our shoe rack is here and it wouldn't be able to open all the way. So I'll probably just put like some purses and stuff in there because I still need to move my purses from the other room to this room. It is now 5:12. I have spent majority of the day cleaning up and completely forgot that I needed to go grocery shopping. So luckily we have a few things here that I can make for dinner, but I think I'm just gonna run to Publix and pick up a few little things that I need to make the meal that I want, and hopefully I'll be done for the day because I am beat. I was able to get everything I needed from Publix, plus extra stuff, of course, because who can go to the store without picking up extra stuff? Got some rice, grapes, which was not on the list, yogurt, which was not on the list, but cilantro, peppers, mango peach salsa, some other stuff that was not on the list, Flamin' Hot Cheetos because they was on sale, and sunflower seeds because they was on sale. Yum, dinner is served. I should have a veggie, but I'm too lazy to make a veggie right now and I'm starving. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat dinner, and by the time I'm done with that, it'll be like 7:30-ish. Take a shower and then get in bed. Relax for the rest of the night, you know? Thank you guys so much for checking back in with me. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I do plan on putting out more videos soon. If you've already been subscribed, thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope you guys have a great day. Chat with y'all later.